This is Stitchy, M-Elec's new smart lighting product. At M-Elec, our teams have worked over the years developing different types of solutions for smart lighting. We are proud to have our Stitchy range out in the market to provide comfort, ease, and peace of mind to our end users.
One of the key features that we focused on was that the switches, the mechanical switches, would retain full function no matter what the smart part is doing. Let's say your grandma is very modern and wants to use Alexa to turn on the lights, but grandpa isn't. So he can still use the mechanical switch and she can enjoy the voice control.
So as you can see, here we have the Stitchy dim and the Stitchy switch. Notice the circular, low-profile form of the overall unit. It has a low profile and a minimalist appearance with a simple red light for switches to allow for easy signaling and resetting. Dimmers have two buttons for resetting and minimum dim setting, as clearly labeled here in the product.
So from initial idea to just have a smart device that would turn on and off your lights via voice, we developed a first prototype which was basically in line with the light. Now obviously that worked, but our switches didn't retain their function. So the next step was to figure out how to solve this problem. Hey Siri, please dim the lights in living room to 15%. So the next design already had the function of retaining the switch functionality and also had a voice control. Now we also had to look into how the devices will be installed. Because behind the switches there is not much room, we had to focus on minimizing the footprint, making it thin enough and small enough to fit behind any switch.
Our Stitchy units run on a Zigbee protocol, done so for security, easy meshing, and for nearly limitless integration.
So with Stitchy you can control your lights with your voice, with your finger on the switch. You can set your home location on your phone, and as soon as you drive to a certain radius around your home, the lights will come up.
Current home automation processes include buying into a singular company product or company ecosystem. That's a lot of money and a lot of time. Stitchy can integrate with your existing fittings, your existing lights, and your home automation kit, whether you're with Apple, Google, or Amazon.
With Stitchy, you can help save the world, literally. You can control your lights from anywhere, which will save money on energy cost and also help the environment. In the developing process, our prototypes actually got tested with real electricians. Suggestions that we got from them were invaluable to solve the problems and make the product so much better.
Hi, I just want to tell you about why Stitchy is really important and a real benefit to electricians. Simply put, it's easy to install. Stitchy is really versatile, and from an electrician's point of view, which I am, I love it. It's simple, it's quick, it's programmable, and it's easy to use once it's installed.
Stitchy is innovative and brings our customers to a new era of smart lighting and home automation.